First of all, what's up, Bread Gang? We woke up about 12:15 today, and I rolled over and I said, whoa, I want some fried pickles. So we're on a mission today to go find some fried pickles. That's where we're heading right now. And we're gonna get some fried pickles. After short deliberation, we've ended up at Creekwood Tavern, and we're gonna run inside. It's said that they have some of the best fried pickles in the outer area of Atlanta, so we're gonna run inside and find out for ourselves. Oh, so we tried a couple different things while we were in there. Sweet tea was great. We're gonna try a different scoring system as well, starting with this video. The sweet tea was good. We had a jalapeno battered mozzarella sticks. Those were pretty solid, actually. And the fried pickles were up to par, but they weren't the best I've ever had. And it was good ranch, solid ranch. That's always a big part of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a star system from now on, because the whole number system is way too broad. There's too many numbers. So we're gonna do a 5-star system. I think we agreed 3.5 stars. 3.5 stars is what we had kind of rated it. It's not bad though. The
fries were the best part.
We did have fries too. Those were pretty good. So we're gonna go try somewhere else now. What's this new place called?
Trackside Grill.
Trackside Grill. We're on the way. Damn, never mind. They're closed. What is up, Bread Gang? I know you guys, I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm filming this video way before the other video gets revealed, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, because we're back again doing another $20 challenge for you guys already. Let me get this lighting right, holy crap. $20 challenge again, but today we are in a whole different place. We are at Super Target, or Target of course, doing another $20 challenge today. I'm really excited. You guys know the rules. We got $20, no automotive section allowed, to find something cool to do to the truck. So we got another 20 bucks. I've got my beautiful girlfriend over here and her friend Jen with us today. So we're gonna go in. There's been some wine flowing today, so this is gonna be a pretty interesting episode. Not in me, but they've been drinking some wine. So we're gonna go into the Super Target and see what we can do for 20 bucks to pimp out that truck right there. Let's go. Whoa. Yeah.
Can we get this?
Yeah. What is this?
Surprise.
Yeah. We did lights last time, so I'm gonna try and stay away from lights this time. I think Target's gonna be a little more of a challenge than Walmart was. Are you looking at it? What is this? Is it Unicorn Day? What is this stuff? Is this hair color? No, hair color's not gonna work. We can't do hair color. They've already got Christmas lights. That's so tempting, but yeah, we gotta stay away from the lights. I got a lot of Halloween stuff though. Oh no, my name's been called.
What is this?
Again?
Ew, is this a praying mantis? Ew.
Another one? Well, because I'm a kid.
Damn. Oh. Whoa.
Dang, shawty.
Okay,
So it's supposed to look like this,
No.
but the one he picks up has a wiener on it.
Let's get these buns.
No.
Hot dog bun.
No.
I can't
All right.
stand you.
I'm gonna be a cat for work.
What are you doing?
How come they don't have a loaf of bread costume? That's lucky.
Be a cat.
Are we filming the rest of the video in the hot dog costume?
No, you're taking that off immediately.
I think that you should be this little little.
Sheesh.
Look, he should be a little burger.
Okay, we got a little sidetracked, but I've got an idea, or we have the idea. So we are going to do a $20 date night truck challenge. What can you do for $20 to come up with a little date night theme? Basically come up with something to take your girlfriend or whoever out on the date, probably for the back of your truck is what we're thinking. So pillows, blankets, little LED lights, 20 bucks. We've got 20 bucks to spend. That is our challenge. Where we're gonna start, I have no idea, but that's kind of how these videos go. We come in, we give ourselves a limit, we mess around for a little bit until we figure something out, and then we make it happen. So that's what we're gonna do. $20 challenge, challenge accepted. So I think we're gonna start with, what, a blanket? You wanna start with a blanket? Blanket seems easy. That's our task number one. Find a blanket for as cheap as possible. Maybe a rug? This is 30 to 70% off. I wonder how much this is. That's not gonna, no? Not like a, no?
Get something that we can keep.
Should it be something that you put on the bottom of the bed, like a rug maybe, or something like a blanket? Because those are 60 bucks, never mind. Yeah, I mean, those are 12 bucks. That's kind of cool.
That's ugly. Fortnite.
There we go. Fortnite pillows? How much are these? How much are these? How much is that?
I don't know. Here, let me read
There's
it.
scanners around here somewhere. Find out how much that is. $20, no thank you. On to the next one. Okay, here's the deal. We're gonna have to switch this up a little bit. $20 is definitely not enough to make this challenge work. It would just, it's not doable. It is, but it's not. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna double it. 2 of these, 2 times this is $40. That's our challenge. 2 pillows, a blanket, maybe some lights. That's what we're shooting for. So now the challenge is accepted. I think we can do this. We can get 2 pillows, a blanket, and some candy and some lights for 40 bucks. That's our goal. So item number 2 is gonna be pillows and our $40. We've already spent 10, so we've got roughly $20 that we can spend on pillows, or however you want to, you know, split your money up. But pillows are gonna be the next one. We're gonna do 2 $10 pillows or 1 $20 pillow, but that's gonna be item number 2 and 3, however you wanna look at it. In the basket. We've got pillows and blankets covered. We got about $10 to spend. So we're actually gonna run back down to the Halloween section. We're gonna get some little lights and stuff to put in the back of the truck and maybe some candy or something. And I think that's gonna conclude the challenge. And then I'm gonna go run out to the truck and show you guys what we put together. All right, guys, our $40 target challenge is in the books. 2 pillows, I think 2 blankets, some LED lights, and a couple little other small things that I'll show you guys tomorrow when we go set this up. I'm gonna run and get something to eat, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
A few moments later.
I wanted to come the next day to be able to really show you guys what it would look like. I came to one of the best spots to be able to show you guys this, and I just wanna, like, this is one of the most beautiful spots in all of Atlanta, I think so, or one of the areas that I live in, and I just felt like it would be appropriate to show you guys this. We got 2 pillows, a big blanket, a small blanket, some snacks, and some little LED lights to go along and, you know, build the ambiance for this challenge. $40. I want to show you guys what we came up with. Obviously, if we had more time and more money, we could do something a lot more nice and elaborate, but for $40, I think we did really well, and I'm super excited to show you guys what we came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this $40 Target challenge. I love doing these videos. Expect some more of these videos. Well, I'm getting really good feedback on the one we just did, the Walmart challenge. Huge shout out to my beautiful girlfriend for helping me out with this. This is all for you. We will definitely be using this stuff. I actually really enjoyed this challenge, and I hope you guys can tell. I got merch. Hit me up for merch. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. You guys are the best.
Let's get the spread.
Yes, sir.